when you're dealing with a fleet, I don't know, of 5 vehicles, you can go above and beyond. A lot of the times too, what we're doing is we're actually trimming while this is floating. We basically just tack the metal so it doesn't move, obviously, and we're just actually doing the cut right across. And
So even though you could it, right?
I cut it before because like I said, I thought it was extremely heat. It's not.
Okay, but
Like this would have to technically have to be cut. When we lay this down, it's like real solid. Like so, once this is all wrapped, I would warm this whole thing up again, and it's just gonna kind of stretch the material. It's just gonna sit here floating.
yo.